Hey there, this is Cullen with Textla, and today I'm going to be showing you our inbox feature, which allows you to do your one-to-one messaging. Your inbox is going to work pretty similarly to your phone messaging or your email inbox. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll be able to scroll through open conversations with subscribers, and you can also filter through newest, unread, or drafts. If your inbox is getting pretty full, you can close conversations to clean it up. These conversations will go to the closed inbox and can be reopened if need be. If you want to send a message to an individual subscriber, you can come up here to the top and type in whoever name you're trying to reach, plug that in, and then you can send them whatever you would like. You can also add in emojis or any sort of multimedia. That's pretty much it for the inbox feature. Thanks for watching.